Casement window installation in Pell City, Alabama, is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement window styles available, including vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, and wooden casement windows, residents can find the perfect match for their home design. Casement window contractors in Pell City offer expert installation services to ensure a seamless fit and long-term performance. Energy-efficient casement windows in Pell City are a popular option for those looking to reduce energy costs in Pell City, AL. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-glazed casement windows provide an additional layer of insulation, making them an excellent choice for energy-conscious homeowners. Energy-efficient windows. Pell City not only save money, but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. For those in need of casement window repair in Pell City, there are numerous services available to address any issues. Whether it's a broken window lock, damaged window hinges, or worn-out window screens, Pell City Window Repair Services can restore your windows to their original condition. Regular casement window maintenance is essential to prolong the lifespan of your windows and ensure they continue to function optimally. Custom casement windows Pell City offer homeowners the opportunity to create a unique look for their property. With a range of casement window dimensions and design options, you can tailor your windows to fit your specific needs and preferences. Custom Windows Pell City and Alabama services provide personalized solutions to enhance both the appearance and functionality of your home. Affordable casement windows. Pell City are available for those on a budget. With competitive pricing from local window suppliers, you can find high-quality windows without breaking the bank. Affordable windows, Pell City. AL options include a variety of materials and styles, ensuring you don't have to compromise on quality or aesthetics. Casement window replacement. Pell City is a straightforward process with the help of experienced window contractors. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient windows or replacing damaged ones, Pell City Window Replacement Services ensure a hassle-free experience. Window Replacement Pell City AL experts can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best options for your home. Vinyl casement windows. Pell City are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them ideal for the Alabama climate. Vinyl windows Pell City offer a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to improve their property's energy efficiency and curb appeal.